We'll begin in Abuja, where the Supreme Court earlier today reserved judgment in the appeal filed by governorship candidate of the Social Democratic Party, Murtala Ajaka, against the judgment of the tribunal and Court of Appeal in the 2023 Kogi State governorship election. TVC News Judiciary correspondent Celestina area.
At the resumed sitting, the Apex Court declined a request by counsel to Mr. Ajaka, Pius Akubu, for the constitution of a full panel to hear and determine his appeal. Mr. Akubu told the court that he had applied to the Chief Justice of Nigeria to allow a full panel of the Supreme Court to hear the appeal in view of paragraph 4.28 and 4.29 of the brief of argument. He said they had not received any response from the CJN. Counsel to the respondent argued that there was a decision of the Supreme Court that a 5-man panel can take an application for departure from a previous decision. In a short ruling, Justice Garba Lawal, who led the 5-man panel, held that election appeals are time-bound and that the court constituted as a 5-member panel has the jurisdiction to determine the appeal as presented. The 5-member justices of the Apex Court therefore proceeded with the hearing of the appeal. In the main appeal, counsel to Mr. Ajaka urged the court to allow the appeal and set aside the judgment of the Court of Appeal and return Mr. Ajaka as the elected governor of Kogi State. Counsel to Governor Usman Ododo urged the court to dismiss the appeal and refuse all prayers sought by the appellant. Counsel to INEC urged the court to dismiss the appeal as the appellant had contended that the election was valid.
As confident as ever, because truth is always truth. Truth is constant. No matter where you take them to, truth remains truth.
The Supreme Court also reserved judgment in the appeal filed by Timipro Siva, seeking the court to overturn the judgment delivered by the Court of Appeal, which reaffirmed the election of Doye Diri as governor of Bayelsa State.
We are very confident that the courts, the decision will go in our way, and in any event, the court has the power, it has the discretion, to give judgment in the way the law appears to them.
Justice Garba Lawal noted that a date will be communicated to parties when the judgment is ready. Celestina Area, TVC News, Abuja.